special chef here with me, Alex, and we're going to prepare together a pink iron fortified smoothie. Alex, are you going to help me to prepare the smoothie? Yeah. So we're going to add the banana first.
Now can I do
And
this?
then we're going to add the avocado. Try to add the avocado. Scoop in the avocado.
Scoop all of the avocado.
Yes, scoop all the avocado. Oops.
Oh.
Okay, it's fine. We are going to add the beets that I previously steamed. Whoop. Okay, one at a time, of course. You're doing great, Alex. Now we're going to add your favorite one. Strawberries? Are those strawberries?
Yeah.
No, raspberries.
Raspberries.
Raspberries. Yes, raspberries. Look at the color. Now we're going to add milk, and you can add the kind of milk that you like. Coconut, almond, regular milk. No cow milk for babies under 12 months, just remember, okay? And now we're going to add 2 dried apricots that I simply soaked in warm water. Yeah, that's an apricot.
Can we put it in?
Yes, you can put it in.
No.
Okay? And second one?
Only 2?
Only 2, yes, we don't need a lot. Mommy is going to add the last ingredient, that it's vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And yeah, molasses. Molasses is very important, but we have to, I know it's strong. Can you open? Oh, no. Okay. Keep, okay. Oh my, you're strong. Okay, hold on a second. Molasses, just 1 teaspoon. Okay, nothing more. Hop. And our smoothie is ready to be done. Right, Alex? We are now ready to prepare our smoothie. How do you do it? Okay. And then click. And then the very fun part. Is it too loud?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it too loud? Okay. Do you want to press or I'm pressing? Oh, we know something? You press because I know. Okay. And one, no, you have to press this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Our smoothie is done. Okay. Now we need to taste it. What do you think? Okay. Hold on a second. There is a plate here. Hold on a second. Yeah, there's a blade. Hold on a sec. Ooh, nice and thick. Ta-da! How is it? It's good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As you could see, it's super fun to make with your kids, loaded with iron. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, leave comments below, and see you next week. Ciao, ciao!